Good morning. In this video we are going to learn how to add image to the web page. In order to add image to the web page, we needed to use image tag. Image tag has attributes. So first attribute is src. It specifies location of the image. Second one is width title. We can set the screen tip. We can set screen tip for the image. Third one is width. See, width and height. We can specify the image width in pixels as well as with percentage also. See, align. See, this is important. Align. We can set the image to the left side, right. See, left, right. See, center is not possible, so and again you can set left and right. So fifth one is alt. It provides an alternative text when image not able to load into the web page. So now sixth one is H space and V space. See, H space and V space. It provides padding. Image to the text. So now there is one more important attribute that is called as importance. We can set the priority. We can set the priority for image. We can set priority for an image. See, here there are some priorities. So one is low priority, second one is a high priority, third one is auto. Third one is called as auto. Next one is decoding. So it is decoding. In this we are going to decoding. It defines the loading style. It defines the loading style. It defines the loading style of the image. We can two ways we can load. One is synchronous and another one is called as asynchronous. And the second one is called as asynchronous. What is meant by sync and asynchronous means will block the relative content while loading the image. Will block other content when it is loading the image. Loading an image. Image is loaded along with other elements. Image is loading along with other attributes, along with other content. So these are all attributes of image tag. So now we will see practically how to load the image and how to apply the title, screen tip, width, height, and everything we are going to see with one practical example. So now for this I am going to open Notepad. So I will take one new Notepad file. See, look at this one. Here we are going to write the example. First one we are going to write doc type. So we will specify HTML, which version of HTML we are using. So now we will specify the root element of the root element, that is HTML. So So now here head section, we are specify the title, so that is image loading. So now close the title tag. So then again we needed to close head tag. So then again I will open body tag. In this busy color. So now we are going to give what is this is a lime color we are going to give now. So now we will close the body tag and we will close one more tag called as HTML. So here in this the example is related to image. So now we are going to write this tag. So img. So src, we will specify the path of the image. See, look at this. I loaded some pictures for demonstrating this. So I loaded some pictures. See here, I will refresh this page. So now I copied some pictures that I will see which one is. See, look at this one. S3, S4 images I loaded. Just I will take the address of that image. So this is the address. I'm copying this address. See, look at this one. I'm closing this. So here I will copy this address and the image name is S3. So we will write it as s3.jpg. See now, first I will write this one only. So now alternative text, if it is the text, if the image is not able to load, the time we needed to provide the alternative text. So image not able to load. Image not able to load. So now we'll see this one. So save this file with this name called as 5.html. So now we needed to save this, and again we needed to go to this location and we need to refresh this because it's loaded with more content. So I will check this 5. Where is that 5? Yes, we'll open this. Yes, this is the image is loaded. So now I want to reduce the image width and height. So for this again we are going to write it here. There is a called as width. So with this width is equals to 300 pixels. So now height is equals to, for example, height is equals to, I will write it as a percentage, 50%. So save this, and again we need to refresh this. So I'm going to refresh this. So this is, we can give the size of the image either maybe in the pixels, either maybe in the what is it is a percentage also you can give. So now alignments, we can say how to align the images. So now by writing the code, align is equals to right. Align is equals to right. So now we need to see this, check this one. So image is aligned to the right. But here you need to notice one of the important point. It may be aligned to the left side, it may be aligned to the right side, but the image is not aligned to the center. So now I will give the border to the image. See, look at this one. So left. So here we are going to write about the border. So border is equals to, for example, I am giving 4. So save this one, and again we need to render this. So this is the border. So this is the border. If you are not able to see, we'll increase the border size, then you can come to know. So what is the border is, I'm going to give the 8. So then we can see this and we can apply. Yes, this is the border you can see at the back side. So this is about how to apply the border and all. So in the next example, actually we already seen a movie review web page designing. We'll go through one example with images and a movie review with the pictures and all everything we are going to discuss. Okay, na? These are all the attributes. So thank you.